we're also going to take this peaceful energy into meditation today. So I'd like to invite you to uncross your feet, uncross your arms, settling comfortably into your seat. Take a deep breath in. Take that breath out, sort of like that 𝗨𝘂𝗋𝗠𝗶𝗱𝗁 breath. Breathe that in again, deeply, and let it out. Let any tension leave your body. You might notice that there's tension in your neck or your back. We all carry tension in different places. This is a time to let it go. Let it go. Letting go of that tension is a part of compassion that we have for ourselves. So in this moment, let's take that idea of compassion. That verse said we clothe ourselves with all of this goodness. So around you is all of this goodness. And we put that upon us like a jacket of love, a jacket of peace, of kindness, of compassion, of goodness, of meekness, of humility, of brotherly and sisterly love. We do that. And you know, when we see another who's struggling, we can imagine wrapping them up in that compassion too. You see a brother or a sister struggling, what do? You send them those thoughts of compassion and love and peace and goodness. You wrap them up too. We put on those cloaks, those garments of peace. So in this moment, imagine that surrounding you, compassion. Surrounding your brother and sister, compassion. Let's take that into the silence in our individual hearts and the collective silence of this community and focus on compassion. As we breathe in and as we breathe out, I affirm that kindness and compassion and meekness is the way that we will walk it together. And so it is.